Hey, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about Polkadex, and there is also a new way you can stake your PDEX tokens. So we're going to cover that in this video as well. As always, I am not a financial advisor. Anything I say is strictly my opinion on the markets. Also, if you want to support Ukraine, you can donate using the links to the official websites down below in the description. The funds do not go through me in any sort of way, so you can be sure that the funds go straight to the people in need. So thank you all for donating. Now, jumping into the website here. So going actually to CoinMarketCap first, we have PDEX token sitting below $2, which is a steal in my opinion. You can get these tokens at very cheap prices. The market cap is at $13.5 million, which is very, very low. So a 10x from here is very, very easy in my opinion. Now, if you're looking at the max supply, then we do have the max supply sitting at 20 million tokens, and the current circulating supply is at 7.4 million tokens. And because the supply is so low, it's going to be very, very easy to pump the price of the token, which I think is exactly what is going to happen. So as you can see, I'm expecting PDEX to go up back to around about $30 to $40 at least during the next bull market leg up that we're going to have. So the major exchange that it is listed on as of yet is Gate.io and KuCoin. You can also get it on Uniswap, Token, and Ascendex, which is BitMax. And I had my PDEX tokens on KuCoin, to be honest with you, and I sent them into staking. Now, regarding the staking, what I do want to show you is this link over here, and all the links are going to be down below in the description as well, so it's easier for you to navigate through their website, roadmap, and whatnot. So the Nova wallet is now supporting Polkadex staking. You can securely stake your PDEX tokens directly from your Nova wallet mobile app. So I downloaded the Nova wallet on my phone, and I'm going to have some screenshots up right now. It's really simple. What you want to do is you want to get your withdraw, or I should say deposit Polkadex address, and you want to paste it into your exchange wherever you have your PDEX tokens, and you want to send your tokens over from your exchange to the Nova wallet. And for KuCoin, that cost me 1 PDEX token, so I had 240 tokens. I paid 1 in fees. And once you have it on your wallet, you can go ahead and start staking. You just have to find, well, actually, when you have the tokens in your wallet, you just have to click the 3 dots on the right side and you can start staking. As you can see, the unstaking period is 28 days, which means if you want to unstake your tokens, it will take you 28 days of waiting. And the minimum stake is obviously 1 Polkadex tokens. And the next screenshot here is showing you the amount that I have, and below you have all the options that you can get. And yeah, it's really simple. Here you can click on receive, and that will show you your address. And yeah, you get 33% APY, which is pretty good in my opinion. They do have different validators. Now, all the validators do have their a Twitter page, so you can just search them up on Twitter. It will they will show you their Twitter handles, so you can check them on Twitter and see what they're doing. Now, jumping back into the website, Polkadex has actually won a Polkadot Parachain slot. This was a big deal for the project, obviously, and this will be huge for Polkadex. And for those of you who are not familiar with the project, basically, it's a decentralized exchange that combines some centralized exchange aspects to make it a unique product with an order book, and it's a very, very good product. So the website is going to be down below in the description as well. Here are some of the ecosystem partners, and you can go through the website. It's a really good website, really good team, and as you can see, 500 transaction per second, more than Visa, more than PayPal, more than Ethereum, and more than Bitcoin. So jumping into their roadmap here for Q2 of 2022, they do have a lot of things incoming. So the public testnet for the Polka IDO and the mainnet in June. Thea is going to have its public testnet in April, and their order book is going into beta early June, and the public testnet will be out in mid-June, and the mainnet will be out late June, early July for the order book. Also, they're getting the order book mobile app, which is getting the beta testing in early June, public testing in mid-June, and, or the testnet, I should say. I kept saying testing, didn't I? I apologize. And late June, you're going to get the mainnet, well, late June, early July. And for Q1 to 3, they do have margin/lending, futures options, and Pebble consensus upgrade. So here are some of the tokenomics. And like I said, this is a project for the long term. And I'm not going to be taking any profits until we get to $50 at least, because this is an incredible project. And I will keep dollar cost averaging into Polkadex, and I will keep sending all of my tokens into the Nova wallet. It's really easy to use. There is nothing difficult about it. Here you can read about the Polkadex order book, their decentralized KYC, and how you can use their platform. And obviously the link to this article is going to be down below in the description, and you can check all of the validators on Twitter here, and you can check Polkadex on CoinMarketCap as well. So that is pretty much it. Also, you can follow me on Twitter as well. I do have a Twitter page, and I do post technical analysis, and I do retweet sometimes some important stuff, which is, you know, potentially going to help you. So feel free to follow me here on Twitter. And also make sure to follow them on Twitter, because they do have their latest updates here on Twitter. They do have almost 63,000 subscribers, or followers, I should say. I'm following them. And here they do drop in some of their latest news. And here they talked about their Polkadot Parachain Slot and all the latest updates regarding the Nova wallet as well. Everything is going to be here, so feel free to follow them on Twitter. The link is going to be down below in the description as well. And I do have a Patreon as well, so make sure to go over to the description and follow me on Patreon. It's a great way to support me and a great way for me to give back to those who support me. You're going to get a lot of content on a daily basis, including trading alerts, you know, low cap gem calls. You get buy and sell, you know, alerts, obviously, TA requests, video requests, market sentiment analysis, project highlights, and a whole bunch of stuff is going to be in there, some useful resources. So yeah, feel free to check that out. Thank you all for watching. I'm going to catch you in the next one. Goodbye and good night.